Good
doll.
baby.
She's not awake.
Take her hat off, Patrick.
She wants to get a hold of her.
Yeah.
Oh,
Take her hat off.
She's about to cry.
she wants to get a hold of her.
She wants to grab it.
Grab her eyes.
Baby.
Like she does her dolly.
That's right.
Baby, look at her. Look at, look at, look at. That's your little cousin. Did you see? See your little cousin?
She likes to put everything in her mouth.
Ella. Let me see. Ella, look at that.
She's just a little smaller than her dolly, so she might think it's her dolly.
Baby, yes.
She likes to poke her dolly's eyes out.
Yeah, I see her go like this. Scratch your eyes.
Would not be good to go there.
Did you get a picture?
Oh, yes.
Give her a
Give her a
kiss. Can you kiss her?
Kiss. Give the baby a kiss.
Mwah.
That's how she kisses.
Oh.
Oh, that's sweet.
The doll's head's bigger. Definitely. The head, the doll's head's bigger.